Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Next in Solutions. Glad to see you here again. So friends, if you are interested in doing some statistical analysis or if you are interested to find the correlation or association between any two things, you need to throw the statistical test. Or if you are interested in doing any kind of statistical test, then there is a friendly and easy tool, that is Jamovi. You can use it. It is very easy to use. So let's see how you can download it. For this, you have to go to your Google. I'll open my Google. Click on the search bar, download Jamovi, and then press enter. The first option, Jamovi desktop, will appear on your screen. Just click on it. Scroll it down. This will give you an option. If you are a Windows user, you have to go for it. If you are a Mac user and if you are a Linux user, click your respective options. I'm a Windows user, I'll click on Windows, and if I want to download a zip file, I'll click on it, and if I want to download .exe file, I'll click on it. By clicking on this option, it will start downloading my Jamovi. You see, my Jamovi started downloading here. So as you have seen that my Jamovi has been downloaded. Now I will install it. Just double click on the downloaded file. It will ask for device permission, and by clicking on yes, you need to click on the install, and it started installing your Jamovi. So my installation process of Jamovi has been completed. Now I will click on finish. Jamovi is all set to use. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you liked it. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Hope to see you again. Allah Hafiz.